Why you have no money? Why refuse Pradhan Mantri Jan Aryog Yojana at High Court to Delhi government? While hearing plea by BJP MP, court pulls up Delhi government for denying center's healthcare assistance to citizens despite being virtually bankrupt. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi. The Delhi High Court on Wednesday expressed shock at the Delhi government for allegedly not accepting healthcare funds from the center through its Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJ). A bench of Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Tushar Ghadla said it was strange that Delhi government, which has no money for the healthcare system, was refusing at firms in the central government. Addressing Delhi Government Council, the court said, "You are virtually bankrupt. Your health minister and health secretary are not talking to each other. In that sort of mess, you are not accepting central aid." Justice Manmohan said, You may have a difference of opinion, but in this case, you are refusing it. You have no money actually, and are refusing rupees 5 lakh health insurance for the citizens. I am shocked. The court's remarks came in response to a plea by the city's 7 BJP MPs Harsh Malhotra, Ramveer Singh Bidhuri, Praveen Khandelwal, Yogendra Chandolia, Manoj Tiwari, Kamaljeet Sehrawat, and Bansuri Swaraj, seeking direction to the Aam Aadmi Party of government to implement Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, the center's health insurance scheme, which officer offers annual coverage up to 5 lakh per family. In their petitions, the lawmakers said Delhi is the only union territory where the program has not been implemented, depriving the city underprivileged citizens of much needed health insurance and forcing many to borrow or sell assets to cope with medical emergencies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has raised the issue in a speech on October 29 this year, slamming the government of Delhi and West Bengal for not joining Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana due to their political interest. A day later, Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal hit back, claiming that the program was a major scam and that there is no need to implement the Ayushman Bharat scheme in Delhi as the Aam Aadmi Party government provides free treatment for up to 1 crore to all citizens residents. The court said Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is an aid given to particular segment of citizens and steps must be taken to iron out of the differences within the Delhi administration. It will hear the case again on November 28.